Miami, Detroit. So next week will be monstrous. As Deebo Samuel, Deebo Samuel, one man to beat, he's going to beat him. Touchdown 49ers.
Eagles fans, I just got one thing to say. Deebo! Yeah. So we lost. It was bound to happen. We still got the best record in the league at 10-2. No. Don't try to downplay it. Y'all got your ass whipped. After those first 2 3-and-outs, the Niners scored on 6 drives in a row. 6 touchdowns on 6 long-ass drives. Y'all defense is trash.
3rd and 5. Finish that in a moment. First, this. Purdy back, delivers. Caught again. It's a first down. Jennings with a great move, and he's going to score. Juwan Jennings shoved Eli Ricks out of the way, and it's a touchdown.
Them first 2 drives, man, the pass rush was coming, but it was all downhill after that. Whew. Man, I sure hope we get to sign Shaq Leonard, because our linebackers ain't shit. Your linebackers, your safeties, your corners, as a matter of fact, throw your whole defense out. We couldn't stop the run. We couldn't stop the pass. Damn, it's been a while since we got handled like that. Had Josh Purdy looking like Joe Montana. 314 yards and 4 touchdowns. And Deebo, shit, he was the reincarnation of T.O. 138 combined yards and 3 touchdowns. Man, when you can back up your trash talk, respect.
Purdy pressure, throws over the middle, caught by Samuel, breaks the tackle, still on his feet, and speed now! Samuel racing to the end zone, and he dives, and he's in!
And don't forget about Christian McCaffrey. Man, he was running extra hard out there. The way our defenders was bouncing off of him, he looked like the white Roger Craig.
McCaffrey, left side, walks in! Touchdown, San Francisco!
Yeah, my man CMC, he muscled your ass for over 130 combined yards and a score. Man, I knew y'all was in trouble when Jerry Rice showed up. He was out there showing off his rings, and your fans was cussing him out and booing. So disrespectful. He needs to sit his old ass down. Ain't nobody want to be reminded of the fucking 49ers dynasty. The man is the all-time leader in touchdowns and yards from scrimmage. He's a legend of the game. And y'all call me a hater? 42-19. And we got Dallas next. In Dallas. Man, do me a favor. Meet me at the bar. I gotta get some drinks in me to get over this shit. Ugh. Yeah, I'll meet you, but your punk ass is buying.